When I was a kid, Sunday morning was an immense joy for me. With my pyjamas still on, I would help my mum make lunch. And we would cook one recipe in particular. Pasta pie. So hungry. There's a smell. Memories. I'll start with the sauce, a nice round of oil in a saucepan. Our soffritto will be chopped onion and garlic. We let it sizzle at medium temperature for 15 minutes, adding water from time to time to prevent burning. The secret to a tasty but at the same time light sauce is to let garlic and onion stew very well. Look what happened after 15 minutes. They are beautifully translucent. We can pour the tomato puree, a grind of salt, and I let it cook until the sauce has thickened. In total, including garlic and onion, it will take about 50 minutes. Our sauce is well thickened. We can turn off the stove and flavor it with fresh leaves of basil and thyme. Water is boiling, I've already salted it, I can throw the pasta in. I'm using rigatoni, but even pasta leftovers will be fine for this recipe. While the pasta is cooking, I can cut the eggs with the appropriate tool, as to get regular slices. Even a knife would do. For perfect hard-boiled eggs, I suggest you look the recipe up on GialloZafferano. During those Sundays when I was little, I was the one in charge of slicing the eggs with this tool, a responsibility and a half. The pasta is beautifully firm to the bite. New operation sauce in the bowl. I'll drain the pasta directly in it. I can begin to season it with salami, diced mortadella, provola. I'm saving a few dices to then season the other layers of pasta, mozzarella. A nice stir, and we can start to compose our bacon dish. These are the ingredients that I used to dress my pasta pie, but nothing prevents you from using other types of cold cuts, only cheeses, or why not a nice dose of bechamel sauce. Let's add the eggs, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and I start again with salami, mortadella, provola. And the first layer is done. Let's add the remaining pasta. And I finish with mozzarella, egg slices, that I'll wedge between the rigatoni and a nice sprinkle of Parmesan. We'll just have to bake it 200 degrees in static oven for 15 minutes. Then 5 minutes grill mode at maximum power to get that crust that we like so much. And here's our pasta pie ready to be served. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano where you will find ingredients, doses and step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, leave a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Oh, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Pasta pie, to the next recipe guys. This must be eaten. Taste it.